Hey, welcome back. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I give out tips, tricks, and strategies in order for you to build a profitable online business. Okay? So please subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you'll know the next time I deliver new content. Okay? So let's get right into this. Financial Education Services offers a variety of products to help you achieve your financial goals, improve your financial literacy, and also helps you repair your credit. Okay. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. When I first heard about this company, I wasn't interested in anything. I wasn't interested in the business portion of it or the credit repair. I originally got interested in it for a family member. Okay. I was trying to get my sister involved. I said, man, this seems like something great for her, right? So what ended up happening is the more information that I was getting for her, it started, it piqued my curiosity, right? To make a long story short, I ended up joining and she didn't join, okay? And then I got involved with the business portion as well, okay? Now I'm going to admit to you that it wasn't up until maybe the last month or so that I really started getting more serious in this business. However, I actively participated in the credit repair where I've seen dramatic improvements in my credit score. Okay, it wasn't until I started seeing dramatic changes in my credit score that I started really getting more interested in the business side of the house. Okay, now FPS, they don't want you showing your commission checks and stuff like that. But I will tell you that my first commission check was $35. I believe it was $35. Okay. But every win is a win in my book and worth talking about. But I will take you into my back office. Right? So here we are in my back office. This is the home page. Okay. And the company. All right. And this tells you a little bit about the company, who Financial Education Services, who they are, what their vision is, their mission, and what happens if you decide to make a career out of it. You can find that all here on the company page. And there's also a products page. Okay, and these are the various products that falls up under financial Education Services, or FES. All right, so that's where you find that at. Then YFL, which is the Youth Financial Literacy. And for every FES product, well, for every FES protection plan that is made, FES will donate $2 to the YFL, or the Youth Financial Literacy. Okay, so that's what that's about here. And there's a video where you find out. And there's a video there for you to watch. Okay, so, and there's something, and then there's the Better Business Bureau here. I think they're like an A or A minus, I think. The A minus, okay, at the Better Business Bureau page. All right, okay. Let's go to agent login. Well, here we are in my business back office. Okay. And this is my dashboard, your business at a glance. This is where it'll show, your personal volume, your group volume, your team bonuses, if you have any, your total volume of sales. This is where when you get on this page, it should show that it's active right here. Okay. All right. Up here is where you find your commission, your commission information, your compensation plan, review everything that involves your commission. You'll find it here. And there is a FES store. Okay, and this has I think it's like your Vista printing stuff here. Yep. And let's go back here. Your agent reports, your enrollment information. It's how you sign up your agents or your customers. Okay, go to reports. Okay, so this is very important. This is where you find information about your organizational structure, your CAB report information, your sales and tracking, your R&R report, which is report. This will show you how close you are to getting the car bonus. Okay. Your protection report, your protection plan report is back here as well. On this tab right here, training tab is very important. Once you sign up, please watch the videos. There is I don't know, that for some reason this tab is not working. But anyway, there's videos here. There's like 6 or 7 videos there. If you click conference call, it'll show you where it'll have the calendar of all the calls, the new agent overview, the business calls, and they also have it in Spanish as well. Okay, so that's very important. And then also there's FPS Connect, and this is where you find your information, or your information for your links. Okay, your link templates, where you manage your account, lead management, templates, a variety of templates here. You can switch it out. Then they also, it's very important in order to stay compliant and to keep your agent account. This is very important information. This social media do's and don'ts, and then your credit questions and answers, which you can brush up and help your customers get as much knowledge that you can in order to answer their questions. They may have questions as well. Like, the first question is, how much will you increase my credit score? And then they tell you what to say. Okay, can I restore my own credit? Can you remove a bankruptcy or foreclosure? Just basic, most frequently asked questions. When the process is completed, will I be approved for a loan? And these are just questions that people tend to ask, and they just put that back here. Go back here, and this is FPS Success. This is like the quick start. The first things you should do, I guess this is the way to move the videos. These are things that you should do when you first sign up as an agent. Okay, watch these videos. First week. Getting started as a new agent. That tells you how to set up your website, setting up your account, your connect, how to enroll a customer, the R&R club, which is the car bonus, and they got plenty of videos in here. A quick start, and here's a video library. This is what I was talking about. Here's the video library here. And these are all awesome. I need to watch some of these too. Yeah, these are great videos to watch, and also to train your team if you have a team. Okay, this is my back office to my actual protection plan. Okay, and this is the customer side of the house. I just showed you the agent side, and this is to the customer side. Okay, so if you are just a customer, or if you use both, this is the site that you go to get your credit restoration process started. You get it started back here. Okay, so right here in the credit restoration, this is where you go to pull your credit and to send all your necessary documents to start the process. Okay. Okay, and this is a video that you watch and tells you a little bit the process of what happens, lowering your interest rates, benefits. This is a step-by-step process to show you exactly what they do. We analyze and prepare your credit reports, will be thoroughly evaluated, and it just goes into the step-by-step process and tells you exactly what you need to do. Okay. Very easy, very simple process, and there is a video as well for people who want to watch a video. Okay. And then there's, let's see, where's the other one at? To the dashboard, credit builder. So this is where you update your credit card back here, your payment. Okay, and they also show you how to, pay off your debt. You can also buy life insurance back here. You can also start your wheel back here as well. And there's also a travel portal back here as well. So this is basically what you'll find in your FES back office as a actual customer, someone who's actually trying to, get their credit straight and just build their financial thumbprint. Okay, so just real quick before I wrap this up, I just wanted to go over the method that I used, okay, to make my first commission. Okay, as I said before, my first commission check was $35. But as you can see in my back office, I have since then built up commissions since then. Now, I'm not here on this video saying that, I'm not guaranteeing that you'll make any commissions. I'm just going to share with you what has worked for me, okay? So this is a free method, and free methods are always the slowest method, okay? It's just that you have to work a little harder at it, okay? Now this method tends to work best on Facebook and Instagram, okay? And more so on Facebook, okay? Now I don't particularly really like Facebook, but this method will work, and it will work on Facebook and Instagram, okay? So with this business, let's go back here. Okay, so approaching people and asking if they have trouble credit or bad credit, things of that nature. People typically, you typically won't get the kind of response that you're expecting, okay? Because, people don't want to tell you that they got trouble credit, okay? People are usually embarrassed to divulge that kind of information. So I find that the best approach is to post education and awareness on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, okay? And pair that with eye-catching images, okay? And, and let me give you an example. Let's see. Okay. For example, posting images like this, okay? And giving a little bit of information about the changes that have been made in your report, okay? Nobody else's. Another example is here. It's a pretty background, just a few words, not much, and you will get some engagement. So another example is right here, right above that one, okay? So yeah, I find that the way to engage is just to post the images, a little bit of information to draw that prospect in. The same thing on Instagram. There's also another method where they're called shout outs that works similar to that, but this is where you have to pay to do that. And so you put, I find that you post, it's attraction marketing. Basically what it is instead of selling, you're not selling. You're not really selling. You are educating. You're educating, and you're giving your customer or your audience that information, and they'll come to you. There's no need to try to hunt people down. You post the information, and they'll come to you. It's simple as that. Okay. This usually gets people's attention right away, and they will reach out to you. You just have to be consistent and available for any questions or concerns that they may have. That about wraps it up. If you have any questions, feel free to put some comments down below. And if you want to know my #1 way of making money online, I will also put that in the comments below. And that's the end of my video, and thanks for watching. and I'll see you on the next video, and bye-bye for now.